orbit.
Russia is again weaponizing food in the war that it started.
State Department spokesman Ned Price, some ships left Ukrainian ports today, but the future of the deal remains uncertain now, and many poorer countries will suffer, he says.
Game 3 of the World Series between the Philadelphia Phillies and the Houston Astros scheduled for tonight in Philadelphia. This is CBS News.
Liberty Mutual customizes your car and home insurance, so you only pay for what you need. Visit libertymutual.com to learn more.
Why wait to save? Dell Technologies Black Friday event arrives early with select deals on top tech to power business productivity. The savings start now with up to 48% off performance business PCs powered by 12th Gen Intel Core processors. Don't forget special pricing on the latest monitors, docks, and accessories, including free shipping on everything. Call a Dell Technologies advisor at 877-ASK-DELL for Black Friday deals. That's 877-ASK-DELL.
Can I have everybody's attention for just a word? Yes, media planning firm just landed a multi-million-dollar client. You won the pitch. She needs to staff up before trafficking hits a traffic jam. So we're going to need research, planning, buying, obviously, and probably data analytics. Indeed can help her hire great people fast. I need Indeed. Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Some apps have popped up that can help you save money and cut down on food waste at the same time, says CBS's Deborah Alfarone.
Josh Byard picked up a bag of bagels, but had no idea what was inside until he opened it.
8 bagels of different kinds, a lot of everything bagels.
He got the food for less than a third of the regular price from Too Good to Go. It's an app with stores and restaurants serving up everything from pastries to salad to pizza. Customers can buy a surprise bag that costs between $4 and $6 that many restaurants offer up at the end of the business day. The owner of Bullfrog Bagel calls it a win-win.
We make a little extra money, and the customer gets a very deeply discounted bagel.
And while Too Good to Go offers discounted food from restaurants that would otherwise be thrown away, there are also apps that offer the same from grocery stores.
Another app called Flash Food indeed does work with supermarkets to sell items near their expiration dates. Christopher Cruz, CBS News.
It's 12:05 at the Bay Area's news station, KCBS. Well, cloudy this morning, 50s for the lows, and the rain will be rolling in, starting in the North Bay, close to 6 a.m., so you've got some time. It's going to be cloudy. Good morning, I'm Elisa Clancy, and here's what's happening at this hour. We're learning more about what happened in the attack on Paul Pelosi. KCBS's Chris Carlo reports San Francisco's district attorney is calling the attack unnerving.
A flood of information between an FBI affidavit filed in federal court recommending charges and the announcement of local charges from DA Brooke Jenkins.
The charges that we are filing today include attempted murder, residential burglary, assault with a deadly weapon, elder abuse, false imprisonment of an elder, as well as threats to a public official and their family.
Jenkins outlined much of what happened in the Pelosi home early Friday morning when police say David DePape broke in using a hammer.
Mr. DePape specifically targeted the Pelosi home to confront Speaker Pelosi.
Jenkins says Pelosi was able to call 911 from the bathroom, at which point DePape took him downstairs near the front door. Police arrived 2 minutes after that call, and that's when Pelosi tried to grab the hammer DePape was holding. DePape hit Pelosi in the head. The affidavit says DePape told police his plan was to hold House Speaker Nancy Pelosi hostage and to talk to her. If she told him the so-called truth, he would let her go. If she didn't, he would break her kneecaps so that she would have to be wheeled into Congress for other members to see that there were so-called consequences. The affidavit says DePape had zip ties, tape, gloves, rope, and 2 hammers. Chris Carlo, KCBS.
A man who threatened to kill East Bay Congressman Eric Swalwell has pled guilty to the crime. KCBS's Jennifer Hodges reports.
The 22-year-old suspect claimed to have several assault rifles and said he was going to kill 3 of Congressman Swalwell's staff members.
This is, one of many threats. In fact, you had reached out to me, to ask, which threat this was. I was going to have to look it up because we get dozens of voicemail threats threatening to kill me, my family, or my staff each week.
Joshua Hall pled guilty to 1 count of interstate communications with a threat to injure that carries a maximum sentence of 5 years. Swalwell's just glad to move on.
My staff is grateful as well, but we're seeing political rhetoric violent political rhetoric is on the rise, and we're a country of unrestricted weaponry, and that's what makes this just so volatile and combustible.
Jennifer Hodges, KCBS.
The city of Oakland is ending its mask mandate for large indoor events tomorrow. City facilities still require masks. Masks and proof of vaccination against COVID is required for city-run senior and assisted living centers. State and county health officials say they'll continue to urge people to wear masks indoors to protect against spreading or contracting COVID. And just ahead on KCBS.
I'm Marty Schaefer in San Jose. The Police Officers Association points a finger for not calling for mutual aid on a deadly Saturday night.
The blood is on their hands.
Traffic and weather together on KCBS 1208. We say good morning to Carolyn Burns.
And good morning to you. We still have a lot of slow traffic. This is on the Central Freeway. It's on 101 southbound as you make that turn to continue onto southbound 101 to the peninsula there. It is a two-car crash. At one point it was blocking the second lane from the left. They've had to have an ambulance arrive at the scene. They did take somebody to the hospital. It looks like it's getting pretty close to getting cleared, but that doesn't help because right now traffic is continuing to crawl all the way back at Bryant Street. And now in the East Bay, the Davis Street on-ramp to northbound 880, we did have a car crash there. It was blocking a lane onto the on-ramp. Right now it looks like that has just been cleared. That's good news there as traffic is not having any problems getting by. And now it looks like in the Richmond area, westbound 80, just before Central Avenue, we do have some type of a hazard possibly installed. It's now blocking that left-hand lane. Your next traffic update's at 12:18 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Yeah, we got a couple of hours of just cloudy skies, lows in the 50s, and then the rain will start up in the North Bay after 6 or 7 this morning, and it'll start moving south. Rainy, windy across much of the bay later today, highs in the upper 50s. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KC.
What's up, everybody? Guess who's hosting a new podcast? No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports, interviewing influential guests, outspoken celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and social spectrum. You know me. I'll give you my unbiased opinion. A No Mercy episode drops every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. No Mercy with Stephen A. Smith, a presentation of Cadence 13 and Odyssey Studio, available on the Odyssey app or wherever you listen to your podcast.
The following is a paid commercial announcement. Were you abused by a priest or clergy member? You're not alone, and we can help you hold the church accountable, regardless of your age, and even if your abuser is no longer working or even living. Thousands of victims have filed claims and been awarded significant compensation, but the deadline is quickly approaching, so call Stop Clergy Abuse right now. Your call is free, private, and confidential. Even if you don't remember the abuser's name, we may be able to help, but time is limited, so call now. Catholic dioceses have paid more than $3 billion to victims, with the average national settlement at $268,000. In parts of California, the settlements are much higher. Call 855-43-ABUSE now, or soon you may forever lose your chance to file a claim. You can't change the past, but you can be compensated for it. Call 855-43-ABUSE. A representative is standing by to help. Call 855-43-ABUSE. That's 855-43-ABUSE.
KCBS News Time 12:11. The San Jose Police Officers Association says multiple shootings and stabbings left large areas of San Jose without police coverage on Saturday night. There is finger pointing at city officials for not calling for mutual aid. KCBS's Marty Schaefer reports police department brass say there was no need for mutual aid.
San Jose Police Department had to work overtime to cover a busy Saturday night. An entire swing shift of 80 officers was held over as dozens of lower-level calls went unanswered. President of the San Jose Police Officers Association, Sean Pritchard, says a thinly staffed department was working in overdrive and on overtime.
People died, and we need to know why. Today, we are calling for an investigation into why city leaders did not request mutual aid from outside law enforcement agencies so that San Jose emergency 911 calls for service could be answered.
The mayor has no authority to call for mutual aid.
Sergeant Christian Camarillo with the San Jose Police Department says that decision comes from within the command staff of the police department.
We did not feel that the calls for service or the incidents rose to the level where